Hello everyone. Today in this video I will configure IPsec VPN between two sites by using FortiGate Firewall. Before we start, I did some configuration for local and WAN interface. First, let's try to ping from PC1 to PC2 before make configuration. Okay, the destination is unreachable. Let's start. Make configuration in Site 1. Press OK here. In VPN options, select IPsec Wizard. Here I will put name. Then need the remote IP address for WAN interface. That is it. And here, make password for authentication between two sites. In last step, need subnet for local interface and remote local interface also. That is it. And that for remote subnet. Okay, everything is done. Then press Create. Okay, the tunnel here is down because no configuration in another site. Let's create configuration for Site 2. Okay, let's try to ping now. That's the end of my video today. Thanks for watching.